Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to connect Discord on Xbox. Connecting Discord to your Xbox enhances your gaming experience by allowing seamless voice communication with friends across platforms. First of all, launch the Xbox app open on your device and log into your account with your Microsoft account's credential. Once you're inside the home page of Xbox, tap on your profile picture at the top left. Now, click on the gear button at the top right from your profile page. This will bring up the settings menu. Under settings, tap on linked accounts. Under linked account, tap on the link button right next to Discord. Now, in order to link your Discord account to Xbox, you'll need to sign in to Discord and also sign in to Xbox. Tap on continue and click the continue button in the pop-up once again. This will take you to this discord.com website from where you'll need to allow authorization for yourself. Tap on authorize and accept necessary permissions. If you haven't logged in to Discord website, you will need to log into it as well. If you're already logged in, you'll just need to tap few accepts buttons and you'll be good to go. Now your Xbox is connecting to Discord. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and enjoy uninterrupted voice communications with your friends on Discord while gaming on your Xbox console. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.